How to make detox water. We recommend 5 types of detox water below to get you started, but you can use any of your favorite fruit, vegetables or herbs. Chop up your ingredients and add them to a pitcher of water. Put the detox water in the fridge for 8 hours or overnight. Remove the solid ingredients after the infusion so they don't begin to decompose or go bad. Grapefruit detox water. Grapefruit is an important metabolism booster on the military diet, so you can't go wrong with adding grapefruit detox water to your diet. How to make. Remove the peel from one grapefruit, chop the fruit and add to your pitcher of water overnight. Lemon detox water. We recommend starting your day with lemon detox water for hydration and revving up your digestion system. How to make. Remove the peel from 2 lemons, chop the fruit and add to your pitcher of water overnight. Ginger mint lemon detox water. Mint adds a bit of sweet flavor as well as smoothing out your digestive system, while cucumber and lemon provide refreshment. How to make. Chop half a lemon, add a handful of crushed mint and about an inch of chopped ginger into your pitcher overnight. Cucumber lemon detox water. A cooling and refreshing detox water that helps you stay hydrated and lessen hunger pangs. How to make. Squeeze half a lemon and combine with half a chopped cucumber in your pitcher of water overnight. Apple cinnamon detox water. The comfort food of detox water, cinnamon is a known metabolism booster. How to make. Combine 4 cinnamon sticks and 4 chopped apples in your pitcher of water overnight. Additional beneficial ingredients for detox water. Apple cider vinegar only contains about 3 calories per tablespoon and has myriad health benefits like weight loss, anti-inflammation and fat burning. Cayenne pepper. This spicy addition is a common addition to detox water because of its fat burning and detox properties. Benefits of detox water on the military diet. Weight loss. Weight loss is why we do the military diet in the first place. Water temporarily raises your metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories. People who drink at least the recommended amount of water per day, 8 glasses, on a diet lose more weight than those who don't. The more you drink, the more you lose. Improves energy levels and mood. Many of us live in a state of mild dehydration, which is bad news for our mood and energy levels on the military diet. Even mild dehydration significantly decreases mood, concentration and causes headaches. Drinking at least 2.5 liters of water a day will give you more energy and improve your mood.